Okay, what are you doing?
Well, I've been breaking them up before, so that it posts in order. So it's.
Yeah, I don't know why they don't post order.
I don't know. So now I break it up into 8 videos or whatnot, and then post them one at a time. So it's always in order. So it just takes
This
a little more
is
time.
social media instruction, which is very important to become an expert, right?
Yes, that's right.
Can you imagine a baby boomer teaching a millennial how to do social media? Okay.
They're the real experts. You know.
No, most of us are not.
It's a big facade. The millennial.
You mean the millennials
social
are
media.
facade? Yeah, that's it. This is a very attractive, mature woman who really wants to have something improve her facial appearance, mainly around her eyes. She demonstrates the asymmetry that we always see, left eye bigger than right eye. She's got malar bags, and later we would consider doing a laser abrasion. This is our goal. You know what? If you don't, if you don't aim high, guess where you get? You go low. You know? You gotta aim high. Right? Your mother ever tell you that? She did, right?
Of course.
Good. Yes, we're teaching millennials life lessons too. You know?
Plastic surgery.
It's not just plastic surgery we teach life lessons. I want to welcome you to our great practice. This is Angela Martinez. She's my office manager. She really helps you with coming into my practice, seeing who I am, what I do, and you'll meet everybody here who's phenomenal. And I always surround myself with people that are as good or better than me, and typified by Angela. Right?
We have an awesome staff that's been with us for a long period of time. I've been with Dr. Rohrich for about 9 years now, and all of our staff is just awesome from the time that you talk to us on the phone with your setting up your consultation to the pre-op period, and then obviously surgery with Dr. Rohrich goes well, and the patients love their results, and then we're here to take care of you after as well. So you will meet the entire staff, and we'll tell you a little bit about our roles here in the practice. And
right, and remember, it's not a process, it's an experience, and we want you to have an amazing experience with us, and that's what you'll see. Join us.
hi, I'm Angela Martinez. I'm Dr. Rohrich's office manager. I've been with Dr. Rohrich for about 9 years now, and I can tell you that time flies when you're having fun. Part of my role here in the practice is just to make sure that things go smoothly on a day-to-day basis, that our staff is taken care of, but most importantly, that each patient is taken care of. From start to finish, we want it to be a smooth process for the patient so that they have the best experience possible. And that is possible because we have such an amazing staff. So let's meet them.
Hello, my name is David Weir. I am a family nurse practitioner for Dr. Rohrich. We've been working together for about 16 months. I specialize in all things non-invasive and minimally invasive, including neuromodulators, fillers, platelet-rich plasma, microneedling, and hair rejuvenation. One of my favorite things to do at the office is to have impromptu dance parties and make everyone laugh. The thing I love most about patient care is making patients feel as good as they do on the inside and letting them show it on the outside.
Hi, my name is Letty. I'm Dr. Rohrich's medical assistant. I've been with him for over 5 years. I take good care of my patients. I reassure them and make sure, walk them through the process, through the procedure, and answer any questions they have. I enjoy with my patients seeing the results, and I also enjoy pizza.
Hi, I'm Joni Dunsmore, and I'm Dr. Rohrich's surgery coordinator. I've now been with Dr. Rohrich for 3 years. I'm the person that you'll meet with to book your procedure and begin this new chapter of your life. Here at Dr. Rohrrich's office, we ensure the best possible experience. And with that said, I love doing hot yoga.
They look weird, and we see that all the time in patients that have come in and they've had fillers when they should have had lifting and filling, not just filling, because they look very, very much like a chipmunk. So that's when you transition from filler to a facelift, like in this patient. So what really transformed it and changed it all, in my opinion, has been the advent of our ability to understand human anatomy. Now remember, she had a very short compressive septic, so I actually release it from above, and I'll just release it down to those vertical fibers, and you can see the soft tissue, sometimes you see the yellow fat, and it's very easy to do. Dr. Rohrich, I'm a plastic surgeon from Dallas, Texas, and it's such an honor to be at this international meeting in Dubai. It's been an amazing place, amazing event, very educational meeting. I've actually talked about several.
So I know all the people.
That's amazing.
That means it's going to start. The fountain will start.
The fountain? Really? Wow. Look at that.
Hello. Come back. How is your traveling?
It was
It's
awesome.
good. It's good.
I think I'm gonna get one.
You enjoy?
That's good.
Ah, good, nice.